Hi everyone, here we've got HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro, and let me show you how to show battery percentage on this device. So as you can see, now we've got only battery icon, so in order to change it, just enter the settings, and here we have to tap on the battery. As you can see here, we've got the battery percentage option, so let's enter, and here we've got 3 options to choose from. We've got the very first applied right now, and you can say it by this mark, but we can also choose next to the battery icon or inside the battery icon. So let me pick, for example, next to the battery icon, and as you can see, from now on, right next to the battery icon, we will have the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Of course, you can choose another option, for example, inside the battery icon, and as you can see, it also immediately changes, but let me pick this option. So actually, that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in your HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.